Alright guys, we have just arrived at the Texas Motor Speedway. Good to be back. Right now we are going to get our car inspected by the technician, and he will place us in a class so we don't have any G37s racing twin turbo Mustangs. So once we do that, we will wait until they are ready to get us on the track for some test runs. We'll enter somewhere over there onto the track, drive around to the pit lanes where we'll be able to do 1 or 2 test goes, and that'll give us a chance to get a good feel for the car. But right now, looks like we have a Genesis who might be in my class. Now this 135i, I'm not sure, you know, what power it's making, but he could be in my class potentially. I'll look it up after this. I did see a Nismo 370 here, so that's pretty cool. All right guys, we are currently in line. This is the setup we're working with here. Got the GoPro, got my helmet on, and then got the 360 cam in the back. It's already rolling too, so see how we do. Good? Right lane. All right. The entire time. All right guys, looks like we got a black Z over here. We might, yeah, we're going up against him. He is an auto, so I'm gonna have to shift as fast as I can. Yep. Alright guys, we are on the track again for another test hit. Yeah, I hope not. So we didn't have a driver meeting this time, and no one had any idea, or at least I didn't have any idea of how they would be doing it. Last time, they had someone in the middle of us, and they dropped their arms, and we went. But no, this time, the lady was right next to us, and I'm looking at her thinking she's gonna do a hand drop right next to us. But no, she's pointing a little laser thing, and then I see a white light, so I assume that's go, because the Z went. And, oh man, not really a good go around. But yeah, this time we'll be watching that little camera thing for the white light. It's such a small white light too. I was like, there's no way that's it. But the other guy went, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna go too. By myself? Am I good to do a burnout? Yeah. Right. a second. And they made me go by myself. Oh well. That's probably it. We'll probably head back to the pits and get ready for the actual goes.
First, I just want to thank y'all for coming out. This was a huge turnout. It's the biggest turnout we've had so far. The first thing
around the track, 4-0, around the track.
Oh, okay. We're either going up against this yellow 1997 M3 or this, I have no idea what it is, but hearing some I'm hearing chopping from him, and I'm hearing a turbo, so I might be cooked.
Thank you.